Deciding between an onboard and offboard charger begins with understanding your specific needs. At FSIP, we make choosing the right battery charger easy, with your specific application in mind. Offboard chargers offer flexibility, allowing you to use a single charger for a variety of equipment. These chargers are portable, making them perfect for the shop floor or for grab-and-go off-site maintenance charging. Exclusive to FSIP, our ChargePlus is a high-frequency offboard battery charger. This universal charging solution is lightweight and portable, begins a charge cycle as low as 2 volts, and comes with a 2-year warranty. Onboard chargers offer the convenience of remaining with the equipment, ensuring they are always ready for use. Our TORO720 is a go-anywhere charger that offers the versatility to function as either an onboard or offboard charger. The TORO720 boasts an industry-leading 720-watt power output and is backed with a best-in-class 5-year warranty. With its IP66 rating and vibration-proof design, the TORO720 can be taken into any harsh environment with confidence. It can begin charging as low as 2 volts right out of the box with its pre-configured DC cable and includes Bluetooth app capabilities. Still need help deciding on the right charger for you? Call our expert team today to learn more.